Hello, I am Arif Irfanullah, and in this brief clip, I will share some study advice for Level 3 candidates. It's early November, and you have about 4 weeks left for your exam. Ideally, at this stage, you should have completed at least one round of the curriculum, and you should now be in review and practice mode. Now, in case you have not completed at least one round of the curriculum, then I will highly recommend that you cover the remaining material using our high yield videos. In these videos, I cover the most important points from every reading, and that will allow you to address the remaining readings in a short amount of time. Now, even if you have completed a round of the curriculum and you are forgetting material that you've studied in the past, the high yield videos will allow you to review and revise that material very quickly. The most important activity at this stage is practice. And for practice, you should rely first on material that is provided by CFA Institute. I'm sure you know that at the end of every reading, you have practice problems. Make sure you do those practice problems. On the CFA Institute website, you will find online assessments. These are organized by topic, so make sure you do these assessments. And then you also have mock exams on the CFA Institute website, and you need to start doing these. Now, with the essay exam, you might need some help with grading. So you take an exam, but you are not sure whether you have answered the questions properly or not. Here you can take advantage of our grading service. Our grading service covers 3 exams. You can submit the CFA Institute mock exam or the IFT mock exams to us for grading. We will grade your exam carefully and provide you feedback and suggestions where you need to improve. I would highly recommend that you make use of this service because doing well on the essay exam is critical for passing the Level 3 exam. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.